Hi guys, welcome to Psycho Says. How to make a girl like you. Most men think that girls are too picky or hard to impress, and that it's impossible to make those girls like them, and they will give up before they even speak to that girl. This is wrong thinking, bro. Throw away the negative thoughts. Everyone wants to know how to get a girlfriend, so getting her to like you is important. But if you are ready to follow the tips that we will present in this video, let alone one girl, you will make almost all girls like you. And you can immediately become more attractive to women, meaning they're 1,000 times more likely to like you. Here are 12 how to make a girl to like you. You are my kind-hearted friend. Support this channel so that it continues to grow. To greet you by pressing the like, subscribe and comment buttons. If so, let's continue. 1. Prioritize eye contact. A lot of times they'll practice their body language and rehearse what they'll say. And because they're doing that, they forget one of the most natural steps in meeting a new person and how to get a girl to like you. So before you speak at all, position yourself near her for a few minutes. You can go next to her to order a drink, warm up close to her on the track. Then when you catch her eye, smile, and a few seconds later say hey to her. Before you even talk, making eye contact with her can greatly increase how much she likes you, since she perceives you as kind. 2. Improve your posture to effortlessly increase your attractiveness and confidence. Good posture instantly makes you feel taller and more powerful when you approach a woman. To make any girl subconsciously like you more as soon as she sees you, stand or sit up straight when you talk to her. 3. Discuss your shared interests. After you say, hey, talk about the interest you share. For example, this place has the best microbrew selection. Have you tried it? Or, new to this place, what would you order? Questions are a powerful way to break the ice, because they immediately tell her that you value her ideas, and being valued is a hugely desired trait for women. 4. Impress her. Invest in some stylish clothing that still fits your personality. After all, you don't want to look like you're in costume. Improve your hygiene. Girls like a put-together guy. You may be surprised by how much a difference a shower and a shave can make. Look for opportunities to show her your value. Is she looking for someone to help her move? Lend her a hand. Take initiative. Be bold without being pushy. Even if she's not ready or interested, she's going to be impressed by your determination and confidence. 5. Sincerity. This is most important. Sincere feelings will go straight to the heart, and this will immediately be felt by the girl you dream of. Remember, girls have very sensitive feelings. If you pretend. If you are sincere, she is not only interested in you, you will also be very relaxed when talking to her. A fake approach will only create a nervous and tense atmosphere. 6. Give her space. If you love something, let it go, while you may want to spend your every waking moment with her. Of course, that doesn't mean you should ignore her for a week. Just don't be the guy that incessantly texts her or gets angry when she's not available to hang out. Be respectful of her space, and read her social cues to determine where you stand. Healthy relationships involve both people having their own lives aside from their lives as couples. 7. Be accessible. If you make it a point to be the person she calls first when she has a problem or when she wants to celebrate, you're going to have a much better chance if she decides she's ready for a relationship. Whether she needs a shoulder to cry on or a date to a wedding, try to make yourself her first choice. 8. Be self-reliant. Girls really like guys who have their own lives together. Girls don't expect you to be the perfect man, but they do want you to try to be the best version of yourself you can possibly be, and that's a win-win for both of you. Examine your life. Are there things you could improve? Work on them. 9. Do something special for her. Show them by going out of your way to make her day special. An example, if you know she has a long shift at work, you could bring her lunch. Whatever you do, the whole point is to show her that she was on your mind. You want her to realize that you put effort into making her happy. 10. Give a sincere compliment. The right compliments for girls are subtle and sweet. In other words, "You're hot" isn't the best approach. Just make sure you don't go overboard, as drooling over her can have the opposite effect. For example, "Your hair or makeup or outfit looks amazing today. The world is a better place with you in it." This is a super sweet compliment that makes her feel like $1,000,000. 11. Give her time. You may be 100% ready to fall head over heels in love with her, but that doesn't mean she feels the same way right now. If she tells you that she's not ready, respect that. If you truly believe that she's the one for you, try to cultivate a lasting relationship that blossoms into romance naturally over time. Sometimes romance takes days, weeks, months, or even years to blossom. Good things in life are worth waiting for. 12. Ask her out. Because if you never take this specific step, all of these advice will be for naught. Make sure you don't wait too long before getting to this tip, because there's a serious risk that if you wait too long, she'll lose interest in you as a boyfriend. So if you just met this girl, ask her out within a couple days at the longest. If you know her well, distance yourself for a while before you ask her out. Make her miss you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.